Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the T-Mobile Hotspot, including how the free hotspot feature works, the available hotspot plans, and what the Hotspot Box actually does in 2026. Now, first of all, let's just understand what is a T-Mobile hotspot. So, a hotspot is a feature that shares your mobile data as Wi-Fi so that other devices like the laptops, tablets, or the gaming consoles can connect it to the internet. So instead of using the home Wi-Fi, the hotspot uses T-Mobile's 5G or the LTE network, turns it into a wireless connection for the nearby devices. In simple terms, your phone or the hotspot devices works like a small portable Wi-Fi router. So many T-Mobile phone plans include the mobile hotspot as a built-in feature, so you can share your phone's internet with other devices. However, most of the plans may provide a limited amount of high-speed hotspot data every single month. After that limit is reached, the hotspot usually continues at the slower speeds, which are enough for the basic browsing but not ideal for the streaming or the large downloads. If you want hotspot internet without using your phone, T-Mobile also offers a standalone hotspot data plans. These plans are designed for the people who need internet on the go, usually include fixed amount of high-speed data such as 30 GB or 50 GB per month depending on the plan. The hotspot box is a small portable device that connects the cellular network and creates a Wi-Fi network around it. Devices like portable hotspot routers allow multiple devices to connect at the same time, making them useful for the travelers, remote workers, or the small teams who need internet away from home. A T-Mobile hotspot can be very useful when you need internet while traveling, working remotely, or using a laptop outside your home. However, hotspot data is usually more limited than the home internet, so heavy activities like large downloads or the consistent or constant streaming may use your data quickly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.